Finally, we see a quite strong bearish reaction today. The indices are falling and we see many stocks collapsing as well, like Tesla and Nvidia. So, can we panic now? Is this reaction the trigger for a sharper correction? If so, what can we expect next? Well, let's study this market calmly, as we always do here in this channel. By the way, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, professional trader, and remember, if you want to boost your trading performance, then you are invited to join our Telegram channel to receive real-time trading signals and strategies, all technically based, and of course, backed by a proven trading methodology. Just take a look at our website. The QR codes right here, links in the description and in the fixed comment below. All right. Now, as we can see here, yes, it is a quite sharp and intense drop. The QQQ is dropping roughly 2%. The SPY is collapsing as well. They are both trying to materialize bearish engulfing candlestick patterns over here. All right, this is a quite reliable, statistically speaking, bearish reversal candlestick pattern which reverses the trend roughly 79% of the time, according to Bukowski's studies over here. Bearish reversal 79% of the time. Best percentage meeting price target 76% of the time. And of course, the above numbers are based on hundreds of perfect trades. So it is not Nathan who's saying this, it is Thomas Bukowski. And remember, the patternsite.com, just take a look at his website for more statistics, for more information. All right, so yes, it is a quite reliable and it is a quite strong bearish reversal candlestick pattern, suggesting that the indices could correct a little bit more. I'm not saying that they will with 100% accuracy, because as far as I know, this is still a bull trend, and we could still reject this bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Of course, it is not gonna be easy, and that the odds are against the bulls over here in this scenario. So if you ask me, a pullback is more likely. Oh, Nathan, a pullback to which point? The QQQ could easily correct to the $486, or even to retest the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart, and that's okay. The trend will remain very bullish. We still see higher highs, higher lows. As long as we see a bottom level above the previous low, that's okay. The bull trend will persist. Similarly, the QQQ could easily correct to the $550 or maybe to the 21 EMA if a sharper correction materializes, and that's okay. It is still a bull trend. We are still making higher highs, higher lows. We are still inside this ascending channel over here. So it is still a bull trend. So if you ask me, if we see pullback, it is gonna be nothing more, nothing less than another buying opportunity, because pullbacks in bull trends are buying opportunities. As far as I know, as far as I'm aware of, as far as I have been doing the past 10 years, all right? Pullbacks are just opportunities, unless if we see an actual reversal, then in this scenario we are gonna turn bearish. So far we are still bullish. Now, how this is gonna affect Tesla, how this is gonna affect Nvidia? Well, they are both extremely bullish, but we see Tesla collapsing more than 7% right now, 7% in one single day. This is extremely dangerous, but well, it is not surprising at all, because Tesla has just hit a crystal clear resistance level, $265. We have been talking about this resistance level over here in this channel, and well, resistance hit. Right now we are materializing a pullback. That's a totally normal and acceptable movement. A pullback to the 21 EMA is totally normal. All right, this is it. If we see a bullish reaction around this 21 EMA, it is gonna be another buy signal. But right now, if you ask me, Tesla is not necessarily a buy, because we are far from our support levels, by near support levels, by near the 21 EMA, not far away from these key points, not near resistance levels. All right, of course, you may buy, but you should have a very, very good and strict risk risk management strategy behind supporting your trading strategy, all right? In my humble opinion, it is not a good idea to buy near resistance levels, buy near support levels, buy when the stock is trading at a good risk-reward ratio, not in these circumstances over here. Right now, as far as I know, we could easily correct to the 21 EMA, and then and only then we'll see if it is gonna be a buy or not. Right now, it is certainly not a buy because we are making a bearish reaction under a very important resistance level, as we can see here on the weekly chart as well. And this is very dangerous because on the weekly chart, if this correction persists, we could see a shooting star candlestick pattern, which is another quite reliable bearish candlestick pattern. I don't know its statistics right now from the top of my head, but well, just take a look at Bukowski's website for more information. All right, right now I'm not gonna see it. Now, shooting star suggesting that we could correct a little bit more on the weekly chart as well. So it is a quite dangerous bearish reaction. Tesla must do something very good as soon as possible in order to reject this bearish thesis, and preferably breaking and closing above 265, which is our main nemesis right here, right now. And the Nvidia is also making a very strong bearish reaction, but it is funny to see that it is supporting. The price found a support level, a very nice support level at $128 area over here, which if we take a look at the 1 hour chart, was a previous meaningful resistance level. It did act as a resistance level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times over here in the past, and right now it is acting as a support level. Again, another classic example of the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Previous resistance levels are gonna act as future support levels and vice versa. Now, if Nvidia loses the 128, if Nvidia misses the 21 EMA on the daily chart as well, then we could see a sharper correction, possibly retesting the previous support area at $116 or maybe $18 over here. All right, it is our next technical support level. If we lose this support level, then Nvidia is going to turn bearish, and probably we're gonna see a sharper correction on the weekly chart because we're gonna trigger a lower high, lower low on the weekly chart. And why this path 2 is yellow? I'm so sorry, guys. Let me make it red so you guys can see better. See a possible lower high, lower low, suggesting a long-term pullback on the weekly chart. The trend is still bullish, long-term speaking, but we could see a sharper correction over here, suggesting that we could reverse the mid-term trend on the daily chart. So let's stay focused over here and watch these key points very closely from now on, because it all depends on how these stocks are going to react near their support and resistance levels. And of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day in this channel. Therefore, consider subscribing. Click the like button to support me as well. Thank you very much, you guys. Take a look at our website if you want more information about our services. Thank you very much. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.